Here we have the Ironwood 885 and getting ready for its initial firing and seasoning. I've got it assembled, put in all the different pellets, and we'll take off the plastic. And let's get this set up. I guess I have to turn it on first. Turn the switch on. And press the standby button. And it's starting to fire up. So the first thing we have to do is prime the auger. So I have to find that. And we'll go ahead and prime it. And it's priming right now, so we'll check back once that's done. So the auger is still priming. And one thing I've noticed is that the auger is spinning, and unlike my other Pro grill, the fan is off. And this grill is virtually silent, the way that the D2 technology works. So we'll check back in a minute or so. So it says it has about 30 seconds left on the priming. So we'll see here if we see any pellets coming through. You can see the auger spinning. And I think I'm starting to see a pellet. Yep, there they are. And they're coming through right on time. All right, so I'll reassemble the grill and we'll do the initial firing. All right, put together all the different components, the heat shield, the drip tray, and the first rack. And we'll go back here, go ahead and press done. And it says to go up to 350. So we'll go ahead and roll up to 350. And go ahead and press ignite. Yeah, set it and ignite. So I got the fan just turned on. It's turning on and off a little bit. You see the ambient air temperature is around 70 degrees today. Let's see if we start to see any smoke. You can hear the pellets continuing to drop into the fire pot, and I'm starting to see smoke. See a few wisps of smoke. So I'll go ahead and close the cover down. I'm starting to smoke fairly regularly now. And probe is saying it's 71. That's more air temperature. Do notice the fan turning on and off, kind of pulsating. You're looking at the back of the grill. I'm not seeing much smoke come out. A little bit of smoke coming out. at the thermometer. About 75 and climbing. I am starting to see a little bit more smoke coming out of the back. Compared to my Pro 22 that I had before, this grill is very quiet. You can really hear the difference with the D2 motor technology. Where before the fan was constantly on, the fan on this particular one seems to pulsate and come on when needed. But even when it's on, it's certainly quieter than the previous Pro barbecue Traeger. We'll go ahead and check back once it reaches its temperature. Alright, just a quick check. We have the grill smoking pretty good now. It's definitely caught fire inside in the fire pot, and the temperature is rising. And we are well on our way for the first seasoning. And this is a rear view of the downdraft smoke coming out of the Ironwood 885. The controller has moved into preheating mode, and the temperature has been rising fairly rapidly in the last few seconds here. The fan is on constantly at this point, but at a lower speed, and the grill continues to smoke and get seasoned. Alright, we hit 350 degrees, and now we're going to let it run for 20 minutes. So we've had the grill on 350 degrees for the last 20 minutes or so. We're gonna up it now to 500 and let that run for the next 30 minutes. Few impressions are it's much quieter, and it is very quick on getting up to temperature and maintains temperature very well. Alright, the grill has been operating now for the last 30 minutes at 500. You can see that it's over 500, and we'll now enter in the shutdown cycle and turn it off. Okay, we're entering in shutdown cycle. Let's take a look at the grill. It looks like it went through a high temperature, and it is nicely seasoned and ready to go for steaks tonight. Thanks for watching.